Hi everyone, this is Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies, back with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is for the 2 weeks ending 5/4 of 2025. The stock I'm going to look at here was MRVL from 425. This is based on a 60-minute wide body bar with a 60-minute DTS buy setup, entry on a 2-minute DTS buy setup. The rewards risk 2.8 to 1 and the management advanced. It was kind of a later entry for me and only held a couple of hours as it had a nice rally. This week for free members of DTS, we have the Monday night bi-weekly scanning night. Come join us. I give you my watch list and also take your ideas and comment on them. It's a fun time. It's not recorded. Come join us. You'll get your invites if you're a DTS member. If you're not a DTS member, hop over to the DTS homepage and figure out how you become a free member, no hassle. And then on Wednesday, a busy week this week, we're going to have the DTS educational event. This is going to be called From Algos to AI, How It Affects Us. You can read that screen if you want to find out more about it. I think it'll be a very interesting discussion. We'll look at some charts and do a few fun things. On with this trade. This is for MRVL. This is the daily chart of MRVL on the day just before 425. That's what it looked like before. And that's what it's going to look like after the day of the trade. It opens right there and just goes up a little bit. No big deal. The daily chart was not really an issue in this one. The daily chart was just not a problem for doing a day trade. The hourly chart was more the one that I was looking at. I found this hourly chart because that wide body bar sitting right here and then a little consolidation. So technically this is a wide body bar with a DTS buy setup, and the next day we're going to come in here and pick it up off some support. It looks like that after the day of the trade. It ran up. I didn't get it on the run up. It was this pullback right in here that I got and got that nice little pop in there. 5-minute chart shows you a little more information here. This is that first pop that partly caught my attention a little bit. We're watching this pullback, and right in through here is where I got in, gave it a little bit of room, and had that nice run and sold it just under there. We can see a little more detail next on the 5-minute chart. We opened right in there, and it had this little pop in the morning. I wasn't really paying attention to that one. It was in the late morning. I was doing some scanning. We had this pullback back to here. I was watching it late morning, and then right in there got in over 57.62, stopped 57.19. Stock held, and then had this nice little pop higher. Everything popped that afternoon and trailed it out right underneath that red bar right there. One target, because it was a nice target, almost 3 hours for a couple hours of work. And a little more detail here on the 2-minute chart, not a big deal. We open, of course, way back here somewhere around 57.10 earlier in the day. This 2-minute chart's picking us up around 11 o'clock. And right in there is the entry that I took. Wasn't the best entry in the world. I kind of felt that it had the low of the day and was going to have a nice pop if it was going to do anything. So target trailed out just a little bit off the screen there to the right. If you like trades like this, come join us in the DTS Trading Room. Not a scalping room, rather something where we plan out what we're doing. Easy to follow along. I trade normal stocks with good volume, not crazy things. If you like that, come join us. Also, if you like this video, check out the other videos on the DTS Free Stuff page, other Trade of the Week videos, as well as other educational events that you can watch the replay of. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.